And then the same concept we can apply for the 3 pile and 4 pile. You can see here for 2 pile we have T equal to NL over 2D that we already discussed previously. For 3 pile, if they have 3 pile with a distance 2L between the pile, we have the TAB equal to TBC equal to TAC equal to 2NL divided by 9D. For 4 pile, they will have the T equal NL over 4D. After the design for shear, you can see here, for example, this pile cap, okay, support by 4 pile here, with diameter of pile is pi, and then with the 1 square column, okay, so you can see here they have the punching shear parameter with the distance 2D from the face of column, okay, so we need to get the alpha V. Okay, so the alpha V, so this is actually the shear enhancement. Okay, and then the alpha V divided by 2D multiplied by VED may be applied across the whole of section where pile spacing is less than 3 multiplied by pile diameter. Okay, otherwise applied to the strip of width 3 multiplied by pile diameter. So this is the enhancement, shear enhancement. And then the alpha V is the distance from the face of column, okay, to the point where the pi over 5. Okay, so this is the red line as you can see here. And then design for punching shear. This slide you can see. First, check for the punching shear if pile spacing more than 3 times pile diameter. And then after that, design for the shear force at column first, and it should not exceed these two value, 0.5 multiplied by V1 FCD multiplied by U and multiplied by D. D is the effective depth of the pile cap. Okay, U is the perimeter of column, and then FCD is FCK divided by 1.5. 1.5 is the safety factor for material. Okay, for in this case is for concrete. And then V1 is the strength reduction factor. So how to calculate the V1? V1 equal to 0.6 multiplied by 1 minus FCK divided to 50. Okay, so for the pile cap reinforcement detailing, okay, so first we need to determine the maximum and minimum steel area, and then the bar spacing, and then the concrete cover, anchorage length, and then provide the minimum reinforcement bar 0.0013 BD for grade 500. Okay, and then provide the horizontal link size not less than 12 mm and spacing less than 250. Okay, but no calculation for this horizontal link. So this horizontal link actually has function to tie the main reinforcement bar. Okay, so this table 10.7.5 sizing of pile cap. So this is the rule of thumb how to determine the pile cap depth. So for example, you have the pile size of 300, so you can use the initial design. Okay, for the pile cap depth is 700. And then for example, if you have the pile size is 500, so you can use the value of 1.1 meter, 1100 mm as the pile cap depth. However, you still need to check whether this depth is sufficient or not to support for the punching shear.